Ethimbo lyoshendo shika Namuwater posasiona ye pokaluheke okwakala ashike halongitha opomba yimwe okupomba omeya tapombele ko Namibia tashi ningwa pamalwetho, oshoka ngele okwalongitha oopomba adhihe mbali omeya mekanka itaga gwanamo ataga gwayamo. Ano ohalongitha ashike oopelesenda dhaadha po 30 omeya ngoka gapitikwa kepangelo lya Angola opo galongithwe ku Namibia. Omukanka wa Namuwater pomahala ogendji otagu monika wapumbwa eyambidhidho, utamunune nenge pamwe guningwe omule nenge pamwe gutulwe oondhopi oompe dhoka tadhi gamene opo waakunguluke omeya sho taga zi kokaluheke taga endele mekanka, ngele gathiki pondama ndjoka ya tseyika nedhina Etaka nenge Olushanja pomahenene, omeya gamwe ohaga kuthwamo mekanka ku Namuwater tega tula mondama ndjoka Etaka, nelalakano opo ashike muthigale ngoka taga vulu okulongithwa koopomba dha Namuwater koshakati.
The water that we don't need in the canal, we put it into the dam here. The only water that we put in here is the water that we do not need in the canal.
Etaka oyo onzo yomeya yasimana kaanafaalama oyendji mboka hazi pomudhingoloko gwetale ndyoka. Konena ndjika opena aanafaalama yopondondo onshona oyendji mboka yakundukidha Etaka, halimi oonyanga, omatama, eemboga niimeno ya yooloka, hayeshi ningi mekwathelo lyomeya ngoka haapombo metaka. Ethimbo ndika aantu mboka haapombo omeya metaka yashashimine iikunino yawo ihaya futu omeya ko Namuwater. Aanafaalama mbaka nayo oyali yagandja omayuvo gawo ethimbo ndyoka yali yatalibwapo koshendo showina shoka tashi tala oonzo dhomeya moshikunguluki meya kuvelayi Etosha.
I've got 2 pumps. I've actually got 4 pumps. I'm leasing a field next door. We went there last night. In 2 weeks' time, I must extend the pipes to get water. So if the dam goes down, my friend Andries next door, he hasn't got the means or the money to get pipes to bring water 300 meters further. So the people think there's a lot of water here and they think there's a lot of advantages here, but there's a lot of disadvantages here too. And that causes some of these small farmers to stop farming at a certain time of the year because the water is just too far away for them to pump.
Marashindanyo omeya shi wanyengo kukuthako pipe yete omeya mepya muno opipe njono shi wanyengwa omatama ngano hoka kambadhali kugethe taga sipo oputuliche ukale ukatalize ngevula tayiloko meta kayiweze momeya ngopo yo utsikira kulonga vula tayi.
Sustainability of water supply, but maybe in general say what is then your appeal or your suggestion?
I personally think the long-term answer here would be is to have a pipeline around the dam. And then everybody can get his water from there and you can pay for the water. I think that should be the eventual idea is if government provides a service, it should get its money back over a long period of time. I think that would be the answer, is a pipeline around the dam. You won't have wastage of water, you won't have the evaporation of the water into the air.
How much water do you use?
The amount of water you pump here, it varies. In the winter time, you might find that you only start the pump every 3rd day. In summertime, it might run for 8 hours, depending on how many crops and what type of crops you've got on the land. But you can say you might pump an average of 10 cubic meters an hour.
Nongeta kanjano yakala kalipo achirika kutia katuna matu karonga stopa tanga nataka simboli moto kusaponga okuhendironga shashingo tatura mwa mbono elia hetatu eli mepya tarongo kapuna yanguta kakonhola komwelo konumba kakongironga shashirongo pe kusapanga na mbono elipo takusapo nkundu.
Where the Olushanja Dam ends, there's a ground canal. It is known as a Taka Canal. That is mainly to take water from here to Ugudia. Ugudia is about 130 kilometers away. So we have a lot of earth dams along the Taka Canal, and we have two big ones at the end of the canal that are straightted to Ugudia itself. And the main is to supply water to those earth dams. And at the moment, as you are seeing, the canal is dry because the two valves are closed due to the fact that I think no request has been put in for the water to be opened, and I think no one is there to carry out the cost for the maintenance and for the water that has to be supplied to Ugudia.
Ngashi oshikunino shetunda ohagalongitha omeya okuzilila moonzo dhokuvelayi Etosha nonkene oshendo shika shaliwo shatalelepo oshikunino shetunda.
Itunda doesn't have water, as you all know. This region here, water is scarce. We have 600 hectares under irrigation. We presently have 52 small-scale farmers on the project. Our water comes from a canal that runs behind us. This canal comes from the main canal that runs from Kalawek to Oshakati, and then we have our own canal.
Oshendo shika shatsikile opo shikatale nkene omeya tagalongithwa kuuteku pepalera mpoka oshendo oshali shapewa omafatululo gayooloka guuteku weeshi oshowo elongitho lyomeya kaanambelewa mboka haalongopo. Uuteku weeshi mo Namibia oshinima shoka tashi endelele okukoka.
So our water is coming from the Karweka, which is from the canal.
Oshendo oshaliwo shatalelepo omahala ngaashi etale lili moshitopolwa hogololo shahangwena ndyoka lyahupa koshigwana payambidhidho yoRural Water Supply. Ondama ndjika ohayi mono omeya pethimbo lyomvula. Omeya ngaka ohagalongithwa okunwetha iimuna nokuteka oshowo okutekula oohi dhomahepala neembwishi ndhoka hadhi etelelwa kefundja.
We are going to look at how the water runs or travels from Angola, which is the source of the Kuvelai Basin, through the Eshanas, which normally brings flood, and you see a lot of people moving, especially when it has flooded very heavily. So we will see those big channels where the government has put up flood measuring system where we are always looking at whether there is a flood coming and at what level and at what speed it is moving, so that they are in a position to warn the people that are settled within the flood-prone areas.
This is Oshana Shana Rumono, and it's the biggest stream in the Kuvela catchment or delta. We have identified this one.